guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out this 6-hour build. So got this one done yesterday, built it, painted it, made the diorama and everything. And it was spread out throughout the day, of course. This is work in progress, stained the base, got grass on it and whatnot. Now unfortunately the propellers or the blades of the helicopter broke. The small pieces there on the sides and the piece that holds the actual blades into the engine, those all broke, and I spent almost 2 hours yesterday trying to fix it, as you can see here, and I ended up cutting my finger open doing it like a goober, but it's all good. Got it glued on, and yeah, it'll work for now. So anyways, thank y'all for watching. This was really fun, my first ever helicopter, and since it was my first helicopter, it was a little challenging. The fitting wasn't the best, I won't lie. I know REVELL's known for their great fits, and for the most part, I know there's always a few kits out there that don't have the greatest fitting, and this is definitely one of them. Now that being said, it was fun to build. It was a great time. So if you're looking for just a day build, something to do for a Saturday or whatever, that is definitely the build for you. Just watch out for the fitting issues, and yeah, anyways, I'll catch you guys later.